You only need 6 months to get rich. Most people believe getting rich takes decades of hard work, saving every penny, and waiting for some magical moment when they finally make it. But what if that's all wrong? What if, instead of grinding for years, you could completely transform your financial situation in just 6 months? The truth is, wealth isn't about time. It's about intensity, strategy, and execution. 6 months is all you need if you focus, commit, and take the right actions. The problem isn't that people don't have enough time. It's that they waste years doing things that don't move the needle. They chase slow strategies, underpaying jobs, and outdated advice that no longer works in today's world. To get rich in 6 months, you need to abandon the traditional playbook. Forget about saving 10% of your paycheck for 30 years. Forget about relying on a single income stream. Forget about waiting for someone to hand you an opportunity. Instead, you need to create leverage, find high-value skills, and apply massive action. Step 1. Master a high-income skill, weeks 1 through 4. The foundation of fast wealth is a skill that pays well. Not a degree, not experience, just a skill that businesses or individuals will pay you thousands for. The good news? The world is desperate for people who can solve problems, and companies don't care about your background if you can get results. Some of the highest paying, easiest to learn skills include copywriting sales, especially high-ticket sales, digital marketing, ads, SEO, email marketing, software development consulting and coaching trading, stocks, crypto, options. The key here is to pick one skill and go all in. Most people waste time trying to learn everything at once. Instead, if you spend 4 to 6 hours daily mastering just one skill, you'll be competent in under a month. Watch YouTube, buy courses, and practice relentlessly. By the end of your first month, you should be good enough to start making money. Step 2. Start making money fast, weeks 5 to 8. Most people wait too long to monetize their skills. They believe they need more time, more practice, or some magic moment when they'll feel ready. That's an illusion. The only way to get good is by getting paid to do it. Here's how you start making money fast. 1. Find clients immediately. If you're doing copywriting, offer businesses free samples in exchange for testimonials. If you're in sales, get on the phone with real people. If you're in marketing, run small campaigns and prove your value. You don't need a perfect portfolio, just results. 2. Charge more than you think you should. Most people undercharge because they feel inexperienced, but businesses don't care about experience. They care about results. Charge $500 instead of $50. Charge $5,000 instead of $500. The more you charge, the more you get taken seriously. 3. Leverage warm connections. Your first clients will likely come from people you already know. Tell everyone what you're doing. Friends, family, coworkers, LinkedIn connections. Most people struggle because they don't put themselves out there. By the end of 2 months, you should be making at least $5,000 a month. If you push hard, you can reach $10,000. That's already more than most jobs pay. But we're not stopping there. Step 3. Scale to 30,000 plus per month, weeks 9 to 16. Now that you're making money, it's time to scale. There are 2 ways to do this: increasing your prices or increasing your volume. Increasing prices. If you're charging $1,000 per client, raise it to $3,000, then to $5,000. The easiest way to make more money is to work with higher paying clients. Increasing volume. If you're getting clients one by one, start automating. Run ads, use cold outreach, or build partnerships to bring in leads consistently. At this point, you should systemize your work. If you're spending all your time doing manual tasks, start outsourcing. Hire virtual assistants, use AI tools, and create systems so you don't burn out. Within 3 to 4 months, you should be at $20,000 to $30,000 per month. If you're working alone, that's already more than enough to change your life. But we're not stopping there. Step 4. Build assets that pay you forever. Weeks 17 to 24. Making money is one thing. Keeping it and multiplying it is another. The biggest mistake people make is upgrading their lifestyle too fast. Instead of spending it all, reinvest it into assets. Here's how. 1. Start a business that runs without you. If you're making $30,000 plus per month as a freelancer or consultant, turn it into an agency, a digital product, or a scalable business? The goal is to make money without trading time. 2. Invest aggressively. Put money into stocks, crypto, real estate, or businesses that generate passive income. The rich don't just earn more, they multiply what they earn. 3. Create digital assets. Write an ebook, launch a course, build a YouTube channel. These things can make money forever without extra work.